Alrighty, hi YouTube. This is
Our
first video that we're recording specifically for YouTube.
Yeah.
And we're going to do an unboxing and review of Munchpak Mini, and this is the mid-April box. It comes every 2 weeks, right?
Well, you can, if you don't know what Munchpak is, it's like a subscription service, and they give you snacks from all around the world. So they have a couple different like levels that you can do. You can do like the mini that we got, then the regular one, and then the family pack. And then you can also choose to get it like every 2 weeks, every month, or I think I don't know. We'll put a link in the description.
Yeah, I really like the Munchpak guy, little square head. It's pretty nice. Check it on out. Let's see here. That's some intense tape that they have for it.
Can't let your snacks go.
Yeah, you can't let the snacks get out. Alrighty, what do we got here? Oh, you can get the Munchpak snack scanner.
This Munchpak was made for us by Anthony. Thank you, Anthony. We appreciate it.
This is what it looks like when you open up inside.
And then the card is like...
And the card's on top, obviously. Alright, the first thing we got here is Frolletti all'arancia. Okay, they're orange cookies. They look interesting. Who knows where they're from? It's a biscotti.
I should say product of Italy. So these are from Italy.
Very nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and try them. Orange cookies.
I'm excited for this. I love orange and I like cookies, so.
If I can get them on there. They do kind of look like little biscottis.
Yeah. They sort of look like a little shortbread cookie.
Alright, well, cheers.
Cheers.
Not bad. A little crumbly, but it's to be expected with packaged cookies. Alright, let's see what we got next.
I like it. The orange isn't like too orangey, but
no, it's like the perfect hint of orange. I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. I don't know, but it's good. I'd recommend it. So this looks like something I won't like that much.
Sour Power Straws.
Sour Power Straws, cotton candy flavor. Not a big fan of cotton candy flavor. As we can. So yeah, candy straws.
They're from the U.S.
So they're cotton candy flavored
sour straws.
Sour straws, or sour punch, I think is what they call them.
Well, this brand is.
This brand is Sour Power Straws by Dorval Trading Company. Do you have a color preference? There's pink and blue.
I like pink, and you have the.
I'll try the blue.
Also, I want the blue food color to stay in my tongue.
Bon appetit. They smell kind of funny.
They're kind of sour. But not like super sour.
Yeah. They're not bad. Like I said, I'm just not a fan of cotton candy flavor. Kind of tastes like bubblegum.
That's what I was just about to say. It kind of tastes like bubblegum.
Yeah.
I'll save that for later.
It'll do.
I don't think I would ever buy them again, but they're not terrible.
Maybe if they had other flavors, I'd give it a shot.
Yeah.
Alright, and up next we have Rouleau Cap by ouleau.
Do you want me to try and scan this?
Sure. Let me see if I can find out where it's from, though. Made in Turkey.
Oh, cool.
Turkish, it looks like it's a hazelnut candy.
Yeah. Ooh, that should be good.
I do love hazelnut.
Me too.
Give it a shot. Nice convenient packaging. Oh, whoa.
Oh, that's cute. It's like little...
That's very interesting how they package that. There you go. Alright. There you go. Those are good. Those are really good.
There's like just a little coffee hint to it. This is really good.
It reminds me of, what are they, pirouettes or something that you get?
But like with just a little coffee. It's
the
not
little candy or the little cookie sticks.
just...
Except that it's filled with a bit more filling, so there's more flavor to it.
And it's not like overpoweringly chocolate. I just get... It's sort of like chocolate with a little hazelnut and then a little kick of coffee. It's really good.
It's really good.
I would get those again.
Okay. Let's go check out what this is all about.
It's like a little muffin.
Chocolate chips flavored cupcake by something. I'm not about to attempt to read that because those are characters I've never seen before. It doesn't say where it's from that I could see anywhere. Maybe you can see. Oh, is it hiding under there?
Yeah, I mean, the writing looks...
There's some English on there for the ingredients.
Well, I can't read... Oh, wait, here we go. Israel.
Israel. By the way, we didn't get to it at first. I'm Dom.
Oh, and I'm Liz.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
And let's go try our chocolate chip cupcake. Here, you want the first bite?
Sure.
There's a chunk of chocolate chip right there. It looks really moist.
Yeah.
Don't you guys just love that word, moist?
Moist.
Moist. So many people hate that word. It gets a bad rap, though. I think it's just a fine word. What do you think? Should I dive right in?
It's not very chocolate chippy, but...
No, there's not very much of it at all. It's very, very bready. So.
It's kind of a dense cupcake, but it's good. It reminds me, sort of like the Sara Lee muffins.
I haven't had one of those in forever. Up next, oh, this looks like something salty.
Yeah.
This is Gran Art L'Albero del Pone. It's definitely got to be Italian.
Yeah. Yeah, Italy.
Another product of Italy.
Cool. So this is like rosemary chips, like crackers.
I love rosemary.
Yeah, they're like
Check
little
it out.
crackers and they're rosemary.
Oh, rosemary is one of my favorites. I'm big on spices and herbs.
Yes,
I don't know why. I love to cook with them. Alright, dig in.
They're like little squares.
Little tiny squares.
They look like little
almost like bagel chips or something. I don't know.
They're cool. But they look like little pieces of bread. Like
It
little
smells like
rolls
rosemary
sort
and
of.
plastic. Give it a smell.
It does smell
I think
like
it's just the
plastic.
bag that we're smelling.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm okay with that. They're very rosemary. Like they've got whole dried rosemary in there.
The rosemary's baked into it. That's really good.
And then they're buttery too.
I can see that being like a good cracker to go with a salad or soup or something.
That'd be so good.
And this guy for last. We got some candies in here.
They all the same.
Let's see here. Looks like we got 3 different types. They are called Pulparindo. It's a salad chile. Are they Chilean? Tamarind flavor, mango flavor, and salted chili, and chamoy.
Spanish.
This one's chamoy flavor. And then tamarind and mango.
Yeah, it doesn't sound.
So, I'll try it here in a minute. I want to have this last thing before I have a candy sitting in my mouth for a while.
Okay.
So, here's the big guy. We got a croissant. Crema cacao with custard cocoa filling. Looks interesting. Where is it from?
Probably I don't know this. No microwave.
Don't microwave. Well, there goes all of my
Country
fun.
of origin, Italy.
That's Italian?
Yeah.
Man, there's a good amount in the box from Italy. I'm okay with that. Oh my god, it's so soft. Look at that sucker. It's super soft. Should we break it in half or just dive right in?
Break it in half.
Let's break it in half.
So that would be like.
That's what it looks like on the inside. I'll give you the bigger half.
Thanks.
I'm just not a custardy fan. I don't like the texture all that much.
Yeah, it does look custardy.
Well, here we go.
It's good. The croissant itself is good.
It's basically a donut.
Yeah, it does taste. It tastes like.
It tastes exactly like a yeast donut as far as the breading goes, and then.
Yeah, it does. It tastes exactly like a donut.
You know what the custard reminds me of? I don't know if you remember when we were younger, the mini Pop-Tarts that came in the bag. Like you got a snack pack of them.
Gotcha.
And I used to take and bite off the iced part so you could get to all the creamy filling. That's what it tastes like. Alright, last but not least, would you like tamarind, chamoy, or mango?
I'll take a mango. I love mango.
Alright, I'm not a big tamarind fan.
Well, I am, so I'll take tamarind if you want.
Well, I was going to try the chamoy.
Okay.
I don't know what it is, but it looks like it might be spicy.
Okay.
And you don't like spicy, so.
No. This is a hard candy.
And it looks like it's got a filling of some sort. I don't smell anything.
This is super sweet.
Almost looks like a throat lozenge. I can't quite put my finger on it.
Is it sweet?
It's sweet, yeah, but I'm trying to think of what I've had that's tasted like this.
I'm gonna swap.
Yeah, come on. I'm gonna crack it in half, get to this filling.
Mine, the mango, it doesn't have that like artificial mango taste. Like it tastes like a real mango.
This has a mango flavor. It's much better whenever you get to the inside. I like to chew on my hard candies.
So what was your favorite?
My favorite was probably the croissant.
My favorite was these rosemary.
That came in a very, very close second.
I like these the best.
I think I like the croissant a little bit more because I don't like having, you know, something so dry without like something to go with it, like a meal to go with it.
Overall, I thought they were all good though. The only thing that I wouldn't really want to get again is the sour straws.
Yeah, I mean, they weren't horrible. They just bubblegum flavored.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even call it cotton candy. Although it's been years, many, many years since I've had any cotton candy, so I don't even know what it tastes like anymore. Doesn't it come in different flavors?
Probably. I don't know.
Alright, well, that was our unboxing and review of the Munchpak Mini.
Yep.
And once again, hope you enjoyed it.
We did the one where we get one every 2 weeks, so in 2 weeks we'll get another one and we'll film it for you guys. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I can't talk. And be sure to like and subscribe. And we will talk to you guys next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.